Say hi.
What?
Say hi.
What do you want?
Say hi.
What do you want?
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
That would be my stepdad Troy. With my cat Maddie, who adores him. It's recording. You're gonna be famous one day, I promise.
I doubt that.
You will be. Because we are gonna be like awesomeness. This is my like house. It's pretty awesome. Yep, look. That's my living room. Psh, psh, psh. Be jealous. My dining room. My kitchen. My cat, Jigger. Shaylee. Hi. Laundry room, which is kind of dark right now. Jam. The bathroom. And a random room. And the parents' room, which I can't go. Then my room, which is really messy right now, with my cat Molly and Shaylee.
There's no music, so
Yeah.
sorry about that.
And yeah. Okay, well it's going off now while Shaylee does that.